This is a 1978 UHO9. I've actually run this one. I posted a few pictures on Heavy Equipment Forum. I think in one of the old Rust in Pieces or somewhere it ended up. I do a 2-minute walk around of it. This guy that bought it now, he wasn't really the right machine for the job. But he bought it a few years ago. I think he paid 12.5 for it. Which is about twice what it's worth. That bucket is so limp-wristed, it's just awful. Thing just dangles. I have run it, actually, just for fun. I wanted to. It's neat to get in touch with the past, and this was a way of doing it. Excuse. They built them a lot different then. It's square, no high walker here. That's the old-fashioned way. Not as many curves and lines on them. Just cut and welded. I believe it has the Isuzu, if I remember correctly, and it just ran like an absolute top. Oh, and it broke quite a few links too. The undercarriage was really bad on it. Spent like $8,000 in repairs in the time I was around this. Putting new links in all over. Sprockets are gone, just little nubs. They were skipping and banging. The track frame's basically just a piece of channel iron. Not far from a crane design. Let's go bucket. It's got good teeth, the best part of this machine. And a koi pond. I don't know if it'll ever do anything again. It's getting pretty slimy. I thought it ran good. Lots of starting fluid in here. It sat for at least 2 years, but this is what I remember. I'd be just about walking out the door with the lever. There's so much slop in this lever. I'll sit in it, like the old days here. But to actually run this, like banging your, or yeah, if you're sitting in here, you're actually dragging it up the side of your leg. And this one, I guess it was bucket dump, or one of the functions is. They just run like a pilot control underneath, I think. Yeah, they do. You can see it down there. It's like a modern pilot control. Why they couldn't have lifted those up by your waist and put little 6-inch handles on them, I don't know. This was the day. This is how a road was built back then. And that was the view. She's a beast. Alright, I think that's more time than we usually spend on one of these.